Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper of the year 1989. So let's start. Account for. It means explain or justify something, to provide a reason or explanation for something. यानी किसी चीज़ की वजाहत या जवाब पेश करना या किसी काम के होने की वजह फराहम करना. Example sentences. After missing the team meeting, Sarah had to account for her absence to the manager. Carry weight. It means to have influence or authority, to be significant or important. यानी असर व रसूख या इख्तियार रखना या अहम होना. Example sentences. His years of experience in the industry carry weight and his opinions are highly valued in our meetings. To fall back upon. It means to rely on something or someone for support or assistance, especially in difficult situations. मदद के लिए किसी चीज़ या किसी बंदे पर इन्हिसार करना, ख़ास तौर पर जब कोई बंदा मुश्किल हालात में हो. Example sentences. When faced with unexpected challenges, she had to fall back upon her problem-solving skills to navigate through the situation. To be taken aback. It means to be surprised, shocked or startled by something unexpected. किसी गैर मुतवक्की चीज़ से हैरान होना या चौंकना. Example sentences. When she heard the unexpected news, she was taken aback. A wild goose chase. It refers to a pointless or fruitless pursuit, often involving a search for something that is unlikely to be found. इससे मुराद एक बेमकसद या बेनतीजा ताक़ुब है जिसमें अक्सर किसी ऐसी चीज़ की तलाश शामिल होती है जिसके मिलने का इम्कान न हो. Example sentences. Searching for the missing keys in the park turned out to be a wild goose chase. They were on the kitchen counter all along. By leaps and bounds. It means making rapid progress or advancing quickly. यानी तेज़ी से तरक्की करना या तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ना. Example sentences. The company's profits have been growing by leaps and bounds since the introduction of its new product. As cool as a cucumber. It means extremely calm and composed, especially in stressful situations. यानी इंतहाई पुरसुकून और मुरतब होना, ख़ास तौर पर ऐसे हालात में जब हालात दबाव वाले हो. Example sentences. Despite the challenging circumstances, she remained as cool as a cucumber during the entire presentation. To burn midnight oil. It means to work late into the night, especially on a task that requires a lot of effort and concentration. रात गए तक काम करना, ख़ास तौर पर ऐसे काम जिसमें ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती हो और इर्तिकाज़ की ज़रूरत हो. Example sentences. She had to burn the midnight oil to meet the deadline for the important project. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.